Welcome to my channel. This is Hop On Hop Off Part 2. It's already cold outside, winter is coming. When I was riding this BMW I got cold, so now I have a flu. That's why the voice is a little bit different than usually. First of all, I need to thank Damjan for letting me ride his bike. You know, this ride brought back some memories from 2008 when F800 GS was introduced. I had a test bike for a couple of days back then. Man, when I first hopped on this enduro and cruised through Ljubljana city center, I felt like I'm the king of the world. I remember the seat was high up there, with perfect position behind the bar, easy handling and a powerful nav parallel twin engine. I was in love. So, is the love still here after almost 15 years? Well, it was still recent. I have ridden a few newer bikes from the middle adventure segment and I must say 2017 800 GS now feels a little low on power. Or maybe just the power delivery is not punchy enough. Also the suspension is not on the same level as on Tuareg or maybe T7. True, I need to try the new 850 GS to compare it with all these new bikes, but I can say 2017 GS is not there. It's still a good all-rounder. I really like a good riding position, typically BMW handling and also the recognizable sound of BMW. So what a man got to do, a man got to do. It will break my heart, but I need to do it. I have to break up with your F800 GS. My heart is not yours anymore. So this was the story about 800 GS. If you like it, if you like what I do, please like, subscribe and comment.